What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. So if you haven't heard, Ethereum Classic's Fifthening just happened early this morning, and because of it, it's starting to get quite a bit less profitable. Now it is just a fifthening, so the block reward dropped a little bit. Every 5 million blocks, Ethereum Classic's going to be dropping its block reward slightly, but it does affect your profitability. So we're going to jump to the workstation, see just how much my rig is losing due to the small fifthening. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and bell notification to be notified for future videos. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Crypto.com. Crypto.com is my go-to for actually using my crypto for real-life purchases. With the Crypto.com Visa debit card, it makes it easy to use my mined assets to pay for my power, purchase new GPUs, CPUs, motherboards, hard drives, as well as collect 8% cash back wherever Visa is accepted. If you would like to sell straight to your standard bank account, you can easily request an e-transfer, which usually shows up the following day. On top of all that, Crypto.com also offers trading, simplified DeFi, as well as staking to help you increase the revenue on your crypto assets. Join over 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. By using my affiliate link in the description, you will be granted a $25 funding bonus. Or enter code RABID, R-A-B-I-D, at the sign up, and remember, crypto has its risks. Just like everything else, do your own research. All right, guys, so just for a quick rundown on the whole fifthening process, as we can see, the date here, July 30th, we have ERA block 1, we have 5 ETC for a block reward. 5 million blocks later, we do have ETC 4, another 5 million, we're at 10 million and 1. It drops to 3.2, which is what we were previously just at, yesterday. And now we're at 15 million and 1. Our block reward is now looking like 2.56. There will be one more future fifthening in May of 2024 on the estimations here, and that will drop it down to 2.048. Now, the biggest thing is, how does this affect profitability? So I have 3 4 gigabyte 570s. That's 90 mega hash at 360 watts. Yesterday at 3.2 block reward, this was making me $1.41 per day. Fast forward to today now, right now, we're down to 89 cents. Now I know we just look at that and, that's actually not too much. So it's not that bad, not a big deal, whatever, but let's look at the bigger picture. A lot of people don't really like looking at the larger pictures here. So this is 52 cents per day, or $3.64 a week. That's $16.12 a month, or $193.44 per year. For just these 3 cards, that's still, over a year and everything, not too bad. But the more hash power you have, the more you actually lose. Let's fast forward and look at what a Jazz miner actually lost. If you are unfamiliar with the Jazz miner, this is the X41U, which is an absolute ETH hash beast, or ETC hash beast. This can mine Ethereum Classic as well. So 520 mega hash for only 240 watts. That's absolutely insane. Currently, the most of them are sitting on Ethereum, but the go-to after Ethereum is no longer mineable. Once it moves to POS, a lot of people are thinking about going to ETC, and it's going to be probably saturated and overloaded with these absolute efficient beasts. So the Jazz miner profitability, yesterday, this thing was making $12.52 per day after power. Fast forward to right now, one day later, because the fifthening did go through, we're down to $9.56 a day. You can see what's going on here. The more hash rate you have, the more you are losing. So $2.96 per day is what you're losing. That is $20.72 a week, $91.76 a month, or $1,101.12 per year. You're losing quite a bit in terms of profitability here. That's actually, a decent number. And obviously, if you have multiple of these, you're losing, $2,000 a year. You have 3 of these, you're losing $3,300 a year. So keep these numbers kind of in mind. If we actually run over to MinerStat, we can already see some effects here. People are slowly pulling off of Ethereum Classic. The profitability, is dropping on it because of this. And we went from 27 terahash currently down to 24. We lost 3 terahash there, and it looks like sometime around I don't know, March 20th, which was 5 days ago, we've seen a bunch of people move on to the network, and it's probably those same people, it's about the same amount, now leaving it. So they moved on for 5 days. This happened, like, we're out of here. So maybe they thought, you know what, the 50 is coming. Let's get a few extra coins before it's gone, and then we're just going to take off. Remember, if the hash rate keeps dropping, then the profitability will start picking back up again. But, you know, this is just another nail in the coffin for when POS happens on Ethereum. We're getting reduced block rewards on Ravencoin. We're getting reduced rewards on Ethereum Classic. And you know what? None of these coins can support the hash rate that's set to come in. So, you know, this is another just, you know, bad thing coming towards GPUs in the future. We can argue the facts of a nice looking price jump. These things can happen. But then again, I don't really expect any major bull runs to happen till at least 2024, which is the next Bitcoin halving. There we have it, guys. Quick video on the Ethereum Classic Fifthening. So let me know, what are your thoughts on this whole operation? What do you think the price will hit in the future bull run, and what am I going to do with my 4GB cards? I can move them to Ravencoin. It's looking a little more profitable again, but then they start using more power and it could put me in a higher price range on my power bill. So I may have to just go to Ergo or something, because then it'll be even a little bit cheaper. Regardless, I'm just going to hold out. I'm going to watch the network, keep my rigs on ETC for now, and if I got to move them, I got to move them. That's just what you got to do. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed some, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.